viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, Akaliogheri. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa family emi dukwazi ọlụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa na oge awa nke isiokwu. Isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ living in the past and the spirit of Akaliogheri. Living in the past and the spirit of Akaliogheri. I wee na-ekwu na ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ndị nọ n'elu ụwa taa, they live in the past. They always feel excited when opportunity have gone. They will always remember their past, the fun they had in the past, good things that have happened to them. They will never be excited when things are happening in the present. If you like, kill yourself for them. They will never be deeply excited. They will only be excited when that opportunity is no more. They will always be excited about what have happened in their life previously, while in the present they are not enticed. Only they be a spirit and about spirit of Akaliogheri. This Akaliogheri spirit will Akaliogheri they live in the past. They will always tell you their school days, their mystery days, their ministries days, their youthful age, those things that sweet them. They will always tell you about those things. But being happy about the present, they will not. And what the spirit is not behind it. Those people will always lose so many opportunities. When the opportunity bypass them, they will be saying, hey, understand? They will be thinking, longing to have that opportunity back. On that, here that I made them. So, tag them. Share this message. Can that send a message here? Message. Before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are in the month of November. The monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Yes. Nisoto to Eze-God in the temple, Chuaja, God for Kubioku Nisindri Nesuela all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission, and consecrated group. To Akaisi Emir, Oboshobana. Basi Bazon Konwa, I get in a military Lomana Hamadum. Bera temple, Chuaja to entities of powers. Jereben Chuaja, Buebu, Mesaraka. One the Chuaja Makaraja Karirogu. Abonate interested this way like a monthly ritual. I bidori me category 3 years. We have massive testimonies. Abonate should use he gave me with chat na WhatsApp before do your 3 prayer requests. Then make token donation to the account number. A chat is na WhatsApp. I have other things we need for you in order to book you. WhatsApp number getting what I'm 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. In our screen, you have numbers in that board. Now let's dive into today's lesson. I'm too long. I'm here to tell you about the spirit of Akaliogheri and the people living in the past. In this gross material world, I will tell you there were 3 categories of people. And what people living in the past. Today we want to discuss about people living in the past. And where people living in the present. And where people living in the future. Yes, they will always go on that they are too good in procrastinating. MSCA Naragua. When they were in the present, we are hungry. But today I talk banana panofo. I discuss over Sarah today, they are living in the past. And what the sign is, ha dị na nwoke, ha dị na nwaanyị. Yes. Mana o nwere something very common. Abịa nka nkọwa gị na o nwere spirit no behind it. About spirit of Akaliogheri. Akaliogheri of people living in the past. Dịka isi mala akọwagono gị na my previous lectures. They nwere Akaliogheri mmụọ, nwa Akaliogheri mmadụ. Mana to solve this problem, ndị nwere ụdị problem a, o nwere ka eji egbu eji alụrụ ha anya bụ ọrụ wee tụọ ha na ya bụ agbụ. Nke mbụ na a ga-ekere ha Akaliogheri. Nke si na ndị living in the past, then gbujiere ha agba. Now, these people na-agba gị ha nwere set of people ndị ọ na-eme. So ọ bụrụ na ọ na-eme gị, you better save this video or share it ka o wee ike dị na timeline gị efu ya mgbe ọ bụla ị chọrọ ya. Gee ntị. Ndị a na-agwa gị bụ ndị a bụ ndị na-live in the past. O nwere sign. Ọ bụrụ nwoke ma ọ bụrụ nwaanyị, when they regret things in life, when the opportunity is no more, when they have lost the opportunity, when that particular privilege is no more, but they always living in regret. Ndị a bụ ndị na-anọ ngaramara. Hey, asịkwa na mma. Asịkwa na mma, because na ha hapụrụ the spirit of Akaliogheri. Ndị na-afụ maka living in the past ka ọ dominate ya ha. Amara m ihe na past too. Mana a na-achọ ịkọwara that a lot of people are living in this particular category. Ndị a na-ebi in the past, living in the past of ndị Akaliogheri. O ji ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ aka n'oge a. They were always living in regret. And even if a good opportunity is presented to them, they will turn it down. They don't even know what they are doing. Enwere ike ezigbo di ya na-abịarịa ka m nwere ụmụ nwaanyị maatụ. Ezigbo di ya na-abịarịa. Ị ghọtara ya? She will turn that opportunity down. Ọ bụrụ na ọ mara ihe ọ ya eme, ọ sị na onye enwere ego. Ọ bụrụ na ọ mara ihe ọ ya eme ma ọ bụ ihe ọ ya ekwu, ọ sị na onye adịghị even educated enough. Ọ bụrụ na ọ mara ihe ọ ya ekwu, ọ sị na onye abụ esmoker. Ọ bụrụ na ọ mara ihe ọ ya ekwu, ọ ya achọrọ one thing or the other, ma ọ bụ na onye adịghị wealthy enough etinyechara. Ọ ya afụ iri excuse even when others are advising her that these things you are pointing out means nothing. Yes, but Omana Afutia to Dodos Afutia, you always fill with excuses until Ogega Fair or I say, no, but one Yamara. You haven't had a made a live in regret when that time has passed. Only one of them, Namochi Omer. This guy is a good guy, tall and handsome. Mana, this particular guy, before no one will do 45 years. Can you hear? 1 year boy, Jimia. I'm not a go more before no one. You know, you're the male apotari on Yanka. Only because you know where you mean Pia. Nimi the flat. That the nose is flat. You will not interested. Or you will not even say that the person is not even beautiful. He bring this in, invite another maiden. He will say, this one is too dark. He bring another maiden. Only you can see now the front and the back is not moderate enough. It's not okay. One reason or the other. Keep finding fault. Chef Zie, now when you get make here, so they will always find fault. Only all the spirit of Akaliogheri, people that did not achieve anything. The spirit of Akaliogheri is all about those spirits, dark spirits, that once live here on earth, and they did not achieve anything meaningful here on earth, and they swore that says they did not achieve anything, that no one will achieve anything. That is spirit of Akaliogheri. So they are spirit of Akaliogheri. This and they live in the past. If I get a would always make sure that again one working on Andua, that you always living in the past. You always be excited when the opportunity is no more. You need help. If such a thing is happening in your life, you see you come across some opportunities and you lose them. And when those opportunities is gone, you begin to regret. You need help. Ihe na-enye gị nsogbu the spirit of Akaliogheri of living in the past. All he needed. He needed ịlụ ụzọ ọrụ na-abụ. Kemgbe ikere gị ndị Akaliogheri. They live in the past. Then buji agba ọjọọ. Akara n'isi gị maka na ihe ọ dara ihe na-eme. These people always regret ọ bụkwa na mara. This opportunity was given to me on the platter of God. I lost it. Amara m ihe na-eme m eme. They keep lamenting when it's gone. Somebody chatted me the other day. I'm still on the matter. This particular person, the husband was very comfortable, taking good care of her and her children. But do you know what? What misled her is people on social media, online in-laws. What is the problem? That she found out that her husband had a mistress. And when she confronted her husband accepted that that is true and apologized. And for that reason, her husband went and bought a car, a very clean car, almost 20 million naira. However, after apologizing with that car, so this woman later accepted. After a while, she began again. Because she had already started following some people those people that on social media, if you know those people that on social media, they're always discouraging people who marriage help, who is a man is narcissist. If you and they use those words, run. So those words is not keep following those people. Those people are like, since your husband is cheating on you, this and that you don't have any business. This man is not even beating her. But you know, sometimes somebody can do what is not right, screw the person, give the person warning, but not physically beat it. I can only ask you to leave your marriage if the man is always physically assaulting you, beating you. Because beating you might lead to a serious fight that can tie you. That is the reason. But if your partner, your husband, screw you, correct you when you got it wrong, then and he provide everything you and your kids need, my sister, stay where you are. Don't allow these online in-laws. Go and check their profiles. Some of these online in-laws are big aunties that are too matured. Let me put it this way because I don't want to be rude. Those aunties that are so matured, or those aunties that are maybe they once married or single mothers. Those aunties that are already open eyes. Some of them are already retired people. And other many things. Makona be here they are not the wisest. Those people they began to follow one particular person. In fact, many of them on social media. I don't want to mention names. Now, I will tell you what happened. After following those people, they discourage that you can leave that marriage. Men are narcissists. This show of being narcissists started new. Yes, this year, this one started in this manner. So they started discouraging her. After she had already gained at least they bought around 4 of 20 million naira for her, very clean. So one day the man went to work. The man is an importer. She packed everything, her children's clothes and everything, went down to mother's house. And this man was begging her, what is the problem? We can face this. She refused. Because, like one of them told me the other time, that if you have large followers on social media, to get a man is not even a problem. Yes, to get a man is not a problem. That if you have 20,000 followers that is following, in fact, 10,000 followers that is following you, that plenty men are Indian boss begging you, whether you are married or single. But one thing you don't know is that most of those men that are there is some of them cannot even take serious risk for you. So finally, she fell for the trap. Maybe a lot of men are in the boss, telling her how cute she is. She fell for this kind of Efure people. She packed her thing. My mother begged her. She refused. Family members begged her. She refused. Even her family members was like telling her, "Why are you living? This you are living is not enough. Let's invite your husband and caution him." He said, "No, this man can never change. That narcissist man that can never change." The same way that is happening on social media today. And you know, whenever such a thing happens, they blame men all the time. So this man, after the whole thing, this lady refused to come back. To make the matter worse, he called the husband to come and collect the bride, but the husband said no, that he still loves him. Do you know what this girl did? He went and parceled her bride price, send it as courier, and address it to the husband brother. The brother received courier now, only to open the envelope, saw a little letter. Sorry, the money attached on this letter is the bride price. The mail also person that the marriage is no more, they are no longer interested. That is how he returned the money back. But this brother, he sent this money, husband brother, he sent the money to. He's living in the village, their first son. And the money was sent to the village. So, after some time, those people that keep enticing her to come out of the marriage, who the man help, man is narcissist, and not narcissist. Now, when the whole people ships are down, often are those people one day fuck boys way to everywhere. Ema na enwere ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị dị mma ịbụ side chick, nwee ndị nwere kwesịrị ịbụ side chick, side hen, and the mistress. Enwere ndị ụra mana ha dọrọ mmụọ. So mgbe o meziri ihe a, ịtụ ka nwata nwaanyị si wee megide ụmụ nwoke ụfọdụ ya ịfọdụ na-afụta ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị na ihe adị mma ịbụ mistress. Ụfọdụ na-afụta gị na ịdị mma side chick. Yes, and actually that is how it is. So mistake this man Melo know this girl. He mislead the girl return on the bride price. When the chips are down, Egoni no say with an this man. The motor ego 20 million naira. Ole. Let's just hear after 1 year and 6 months. I got one aka. Imiome. Ochiga kwazie na ayo this man ko obare. This man said, the Arab lose here because no send the bride price back. Now, as no send the bride price back, they are going to consider. Man, a bride price don't send it back. Now it's over. Ogbuefi no nwere ike ime asi one agwam also near go many places they all look at di iche ka die na chigata ga aso mana one nke nwere isi na onya ka o di bele cha cha nke o maru na o nwere ihe nga emere ka die be ka kporo nya ro mazi. Who does that? And for me, I was like, you can't eat your cake and have it. Like you went too far. Now go and tell that all those online in-laws. Now say get potaba. How get water their brothers because you don't know that street is very dry. Especially marriage in one year. Igbo na atụ inu na ụzọ eji nwa anaghị echi. Marriage nwere nwa, you can go very easy. Ma ọ bụrụ na o ruo oge mana mmalụ ebe ọ bụrụ ije goje drop nwa eburugo tokumbo kenwa. Yes, so onye a na-asị gị pụta, let the person assure you na his brother her brother or his brother as case may be ya be no gị. So to a goes ready. This guy now sim career. Man, what I couldn't help her. I said no, I can't. No, there's nothing I can do. I can't manipulate any man to go against his wish because of your selfish interests. You can't eat your cake and have it. So maybe you only go for the arrow there, but I can map on my pilot and the malo dollar. Because you can't eat your cake and have it. So what am I saying in essence? Then double we lose with the opportunity began to regret. Yes, and I didn't live in the past. You know that? As you go, but the music appreciate how nice the guy was, her ex-husband he was, because the guy regret he was here because this guy even promised her in order to apologize to her, not get take care abroad, had a vacation. Oju, Macadam was small boys, and those money misload non-inbox now here. What they hear go is sort of order, no other catch order, I just also. So all you be hearing men. So then they live in the past. Hana no regret. Check their life first. Whether of working or wine. Ihe na-enye ha ngore mgbe ya na-akọrọ akụkọ what he was once enjoyed. Ọ bụ nwoke ọ bụ nwanyị. Ọ ga na-agwa gị those memorable time enjoyed in the past. The future adịghị happiness. Ihe na-enye happiness with the past. All spirit of Akaliogheri need ka enyere gị aka. Onwe onye nke mma eso nwee na-ayụ ya na this boy for the anaya too much ọ na-eme shagari ọ na-eme na ya ebuka shagari na na-eme ihe niile. So finally this particular boy chose another person on February this year. Now 9 months down the line, this month, that particular lady o si n'aka wee mara ọ na-ayọ isi anwa yakwazie na-achịkwasị ma o nwere ihe a ga-eme ka a kpọchigazie Davidson back. Who does that? Ịghọtara ya? So o wee chọtawazielu m those memorable time ya Davidson share together when the opportunity is gone. Davidson in question is already married now as we speak. So say there's nothing I can do again. So what am I saying? Everyone, they might be business opportunity. Give them business opportunity, they will find excuses to say no. They are not seeing prosperity in that business. The business is not prospering. Then, but another person may be there. Oh, say, hey, the business and then you got the opportunity years back. More opportunity gal can't get it. Only people all they may like that. Yeni na basarando ha. When they miss their partner or loved one or their relationship, is when that relationship have crumbled. Pogori ekita duoya sit her down or sit him down. Duoya order down. He will not take it. It's only when the persons have gone wrong, when the person have lost the opportunity, she or she will begin to regret. Hey, na-agwakwana m ihe agwa. Maka na ndị Igbo na-atụ inu si na onye afụrụ gwa afụkwa ọzọ agwụ ya. O nwere ndị ọ na-eme spirit, onwe ya na-akpọ the spirit of discernment. Nwe ya na-akpọ intuition perception. Onye ọbụla bụ mmadụ nwere ya. Mana ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ, many people have subdued theirs. Whenever you want to do a wrong thing or take wrong decision, the spirit keep telling you what you're about to do is not good. What you're about to do is not good. Keep advising you. But when you now decide to ignore, because that spirit of Akaliogheri will ensure that no one approaches his okay, make sure you take wrong decision all times. Okay, make sure na only opportunity na abịara gị na ị ga-adị blindfolded. Ema for the opportunity as opportunity. And don't make any mistake. But the opportunity is gone. It was hey. And by that time, no matter reason. No any other opportunity. So what am I saying? If you are some of those people or you find yourself in this particular cadre, or people that always regret when the chips are down, I will advise you to do the needful. We're also worried. Dear Cho, you maranya, all and Nikumakia. I carry Akaliogheri. Sinandine live in the past. The past spirit, live in the past spirit. and the ebujuru or you could see me any decay break any barrier, a break a yoke, you under yoke of body, and they don't know. Always remembering. If you are part of those people that always remembering those things, somebody being nice to you, those things that really made you make you happy, those things, and when there are no more, you fall within this category. When you have the opportunity, you are in relationship, you are in business, you are even your academic studies, and everything you are in, you don't enjoy it when the thing is on. That only when you remember those things and they appreciate them and they say, hey, I still remember those days in school, and it gives you joy more than the present, you fall within this category of people I'm talking about. It is yourself. Some of them people will lose that opportunity. They will now be looking at how can I do this thing. They will be considering ego. If you fall within this category, believe in me, my brother, my sister, you need help. I will advise you, let me offer as a solution to you. Because after telling you what you are doing that is wrong, I will tell you solution. Solution, I will tell you how human beings are supposed to do. Human beings are supposed to be living in the present. No, why not kita? Because they be in the present. You know why? Because the present determines the future, and the present erases the negative past. Example: if somebody has been living his life and become an addict, drunkard, or smoker, but when the person turn a new leaf, all things have passed, everything has become new. The person's iniquity might be forgiven because no doubt machigaria. So what I am passing through today is as a result of not doing the right thing. So why you are passing through what you are passing through today is because you refuse, and if you keep living in the past, only there be no chi of for you. No matter how your present is, whether good, your past is whether good or bad, living in the present has the ability to rewrite the history, to heal the wound, and to determine how your future will be. Nature is not for the Christmas. And once you're always living in the past, whatever that happened in the past excites you so much. That your secondary school friend, ordinary ice cream na boss. Shawama. Now quality ice cream now. But in the past, you are going to Kona Bilota in a need the serious help. Makanoche Furochi and Opo of Yaya you. Dotaria? So you have not check a make sure you are always living in the present. Because it's your present will determine how your future will be. But anybody that keep dwelling in the past tense, always dwelling in regret. Because Akaliogheri, are there Abachigayas? You see today now. Today is the 9th of November 2025. This particular day can never come back again in history. Do you see this particular day? 9th of November 2025 being Eke. Oburu de nwelo no one abo gugudo ruo n'isi particular age ebido kwa count again. Enwa another 9th November 2025 ọzọ ọ bụ na ya enwe n'iru. For example, ọmadaba Chineke taa bụ Sunday. Yes. So gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Ụbọchị ọbụla, any day have special uniqueness. Mere ụbọchị ahụ ji dị ebube n'ụdị nke ya. So gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Learn how to live in the present. If you are living in the past tense, you need help. Maka ihe ji ekwu ya bụ, if you don't know, life is all about when you are convinced that you need error. When you are convinced that you need help, that is when you get help. But ọ bụrụ na ị mara, asị na onye ka ndị Igbo si atụ iwu si na ịkwọ mmiri na-adị mma ibido n'ọkwụọla. Ndị Igbo asị nọ akpa na akpa n'ọfọ. You must, na mmadụ amaghị ebe mmiri si bido mmabụ ya, ọ ya ama ebe ọ ya nọkwụsị. So you must find out where your problem is coming from. Also, onye ntero inu si na onye mmadụ ara agba ọsọ ehihie n'oge na-abụrụ mgbe mmiri zuru ya ahụ. Ọ bụrụ onye amamihe. So ọ bụrụ na spirit of Akaliogheri na-aghasara gị ihe, gị nwa bụ auntie, when you are very young, people are coming for your hand in marriage, you keep bringing excuses. Keep bringing frivolous excuses, frivolities, and that we rely on till that last moment. I remember during our school days. Yes, during our school days, I told you, what do you want to be? Or they can say, no, some of those my friends, when we are still in primary, secondary school, then I told you, when I grow up, I will be a medical doctor. When I grow up, I will be an engineer. When I grow up, I will be a pilot. Call those your friends, primary, secondary school. As those says, how many of them achieve that their desire when they are still growing? I can tell you, more than 90% did not achieve that in Hazal school. Because now they face the reality. So, so my advice, my brother, my sister, make the haste when the time is still available. Reject any spirit of living in the past. Because no every time you are living in the past, only past the nyego piangere. Had I know, because opportunity has eluded you. Family, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya n'ihi na ọ masịrị ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu keep me here be with you all. May you be protected. May you be favored. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.